one of the best tips that I want to give you guys regarding washing the hair in winters is not to use hot water to do so. And I know you've seen many people saying this same thing again and again, but the reason I am also including this in the video is because I believe that not only you but me as well, we just tend to neglect this fact. We just tend to overlook it and use hot water to wash the hair anyways because of how good it feels. But that is actually one of the worst things that we can do to our hair in winters, because our hair already loses a lot of moisture due to the constant exposure to dry and cold wind in winters, and using hot water to wash it on top of that is only going to make things worse. Using a mild shampoo in winters is necessary as it does not completely dry out the scalp, stripping all of its natural oils. And upon washing the scalp with these sort of shampoos, only the unnecessary buildup will be washed off, leaving behind all the important essential oils that the scalp produces. Washing the hair twice a week in winters is the sweet spot according to my opinion, because washing it less or more than twice a week can really hurt the scalp as well as the hair length. Washing it more can cause dryness or oiliness on the scalp as well as dandruff, while washing it less than twice a week can lead to unnecessary oil and product buildup that can lead to hair loss as well as dandruff. The usage of a good conditioner becomes necessary in winters as it provides the much needed moisture to the hair strands, which is required even more after a wash and in winters due to the dryness. As for the best moisturizer for your hair, just choose the best shampoo for your hair and go with the moisturizer that comes from the same brand. Applying hot oil to the hair and the scalp by the means of a massage before the wash can make a huge difference in the way your hair looks and your scalp feels. And while it is true that you need to grant some time for the oil to soak into your scalp and the hair strands, I won't recommend you to keep it on for more than a night, because usually 2 hours are more than enough for the oil to work and to do its job over the head. And as always, two of my favorite hair oils are coconut oil and the Ustra Ayurvedic hair oil. While washing the hair properly and prepping it before the wash is crucial, the post-wash hair care holds equal importance. So don't be rude with your hair just so that you can dry it 5 minutes earlier. And to make the effort of applying a good hair serum to your hair when it is around 70% dry, so that it is naturally shiny and silky smooth by the time it gets completely dried. And if watching all this brought any sort of value to you, a like to this video and a sub to the channel will be really appreciated. And the Alpha Army Discord server link is in the description along with some other very useful links. And with that being said, I'll see you around.